Hello, welcome to Current Composites. My name's Stephen Prinz. This is Claudia Salazar, and this is my dad, Stephen Prinz Sr. We won the Challengers Award this year with our product Liberty Wood. You can see it right here. Liberty Wood is an engineered wood. It's made using birch and phenolic resin. You get the same characteristics as metal, but the beautiful natural look of wood. At the show this year, we also launched pulls and knobs. You can see here. So the way we make it is we take birch veneer, we impregnate it with resin. We could dye the resin different colors, mimicking exotic woods like this rosewood here or this cocobolo. And we dye the veneer. We press it in a press under heat and pressure, and it becomes a solid, stabilized wood. Another interesting thing about this wood is that it will withstand water resistance and heat. One of our tests is boiling the wood, so we boiled this piece for 8 hours. What's great about that is that you could use it in kitchen cutlery. It will handle dishwashers, and you could use it for outdoor furniture or in marine applications where there's a lot of moisture, a lot of salt water. Another cool thing is that it's dense, so it's very suitable for pool cues. We have a lot of pool cue customers. We're a family-owned business. We've been around since 1962. I'm third generation, he's second generation, and we make everything in the United States, and we're proud to do it, and we're going to keep doing it.
Hello, I'm Tim with Make It Snappy Tools. Wanted to talk to you about our new iCarb countersink. It's the winner of the Challengers Award here at IWF 2024. And so one of the main features of this countersink is the indexable nature of the countersink. We have a solid carbide insert there that is double-sided. So when you wear out your first side, you can index it around and you obtain a fresh cutting edge. Or once both sides are used up, you can replace the insert. And we sell a pair of replacement inserts and screws as well. We have 4 sizes available. We have all with a 1/2-inch counterbore, and all of them take the same size insert. So you don't have to hassle with trying to find the right size insert. It's all one size. I'll do a little demonstration for you. I'll drill into some Ipe here so you can see how well it performs. And it's just cutting right through that, even in a hardwood like Ipe.
Hello, my name is Brandon Cutter with Nortec Machine. We're here in the Nortec booth at the IWF 2024 show, standing next to this year's Challenger Award winner, Nortec's iGlue. In short, this is a dovetail gluing machine with no programming required. It scans and applies glue in the correct amount, exactly where you need it each time. Machine comes with an onboard water pot and glue pot. It has 2 selector switches to choose either male or female tenon application, as well as the volume of glue. When the machine has been idle for a few minutes, it puts itself to sleep in its own water bath to keep the tip fresh. We simply wake it up, it comes to life, and then we choose exactly what tenon, if we want to put it on the male or female application. Once we do that, we put the part in, scans, and it glues all in one pass. Now, if we want, we merely switch to the female side. And we can put the glue in the female portion as well. No programming, no changeovers, any size drawer, any size pattern. The glue is properly applied in place. Any size, doesn't matter. Any thickness, doesn't matter. The Nortec iGlue puts the glue right where you want it. And that's why it was both this year's Challenger Award and last year's Visionary Award winner. Kind of a double crown.
Hi, I'm Madison Roper. I'm one of the co-owners of Timberwolf Forest Products.
And I'm Holly Roper-Pennell, and I'm also a co-owner of Timberwolf Forest Products.
It's been a great privilege to be here at IWF this year in 2024. We've been in the industry for a very long time. We've innovated ourselves over the years, and we have a brand new product we just came out with called the Fast Snap. And I just want to take a moment to thank all the individuals that made that a reality and a possibility.
We want to thank all the employees, all of the team effort that they put into it and that they still put into it every day, day in and day out. And our family for putting up with us long hours sometimes. And just say thank you to all of our support and all of our customers.
And this has been exciting because we have had the Fast Snap technology to introduce. We put it in the Challenger Award. We hope for the best, and we actually were very blessed to be rewarded with being a winner of the Challenger Award this year. So the Fast Snap technology is basically integrating metal into wood using magnets, and it's a revolutionary idea that's going to give a lot of diversity and applicational uses to the industry as a whole, and we're excited to see where all this goes in the future.
Hi, I'm Ty with Total Finishing. We're here at IWF 2024, where we just won the Challengers Award for 2 products. The first product we won for is called Total Flatline Automation, featuring the VD Simple Dynamic Spray Machine. I'm going to walk you through the system, show you what it's all about, and why it won. All right, I'm going to show you how we load the Total Flatline Automation system. So we have a conveyor belt that has these markings or stripes on it. You simply take your product and you make sure that you're touching at least 2 of the fat stripes. So if you have a long product, you can touch multiple stripes. If you have a short product like a cabinet door, you just simply load it to be touching 2 of the fat stripes. You never load on a skinny stripe or between skinny stripes. Congratulations, you now know how to operate this machine. It's that simple. I'm going to press the start button and we'll send the charge through. We can have this run continuously in like a production sense, or I can load it like a charge like I did here. We find that for the show, this is the easiest way to control it. The Total Flatline Automation System has its own sensors, external light bars, external of the Flatline. So this is retrofittable to any brand of Flatline. So if you already have a competitive machine, we can put the material handling on either side of it and still automate you. We'll walk down and we'll watch these parts get sprayed. As the parts break the light barrier and they enter the cabin, we're going to see the machine begins to oscillate. You're seeing that dynamic action as the guns track forward and then reset each return. Okay, can I get through, guys? So as the parts come through, they break the light curtain on the Total Flatline Automation System. When the last of the parts come through in the charge, you're going to see them quickly advance to the right. They will line up with the arms, and the arms of the Planet system will take it and load it on the rack and come back in time for a charge following right behind it. So it'll happen pretty quickly as soon as it gets off this conveyor. The system knows what level of the rack to put them on, and will load from the top down or from the bottom up. That's a programmable feature. So stop paying too much for labor. Make your Flatline a one-man operation instead of 4. Thank you for your time. I'm Ty with Total Finishing. I'm going to show you today the Wallcom 2.0 light. This is a light that we won the Challengers Award for yesterday, one of our 2 awards. The Wallcom 2.0 light is made out of carbon fiber. It fits any spray gun. We're showing it on the TFS Viper gun today. It has a removable lens that are replaceable. They are $2 a piece. They pop off. They sell them in a 20 pack. This is an LED color corrected light that goes 360 around the air cap. There are multiple orange silicone rings of different diameters so that we can fit most any spray gun on the market. USB-C rechargeable, has about a 3-hour battery life. There's a magnet that allows you to stick it to your booth and hold the gun or use it as a spotlight. Got to tighten that. So, but what does it do? It's a really bright light that I can get in, and I can now see in a workpiece that would be shadowed otherwise where my wet edge is. But that's not all that it does. There is also a proximity sensor. So I can set this for the proper gun distance and use it to train a new painter what the distance should be. You can see it'll go yellow, red if I'm too far away or too close. And that's a programmable distance. So that's one of the items that we won the 2024 IWF Challengers Award for. We're really proud to present that to the industry.
Hi, I'm Jan Koppen and I'm with Uniland Panels, and we are proud winners of IWS 2024 Challenger Award. We won the award with our groundbreaking product, Master Oak. Master Oak is the next generation in TFL and laminate finishing. What makes our product so unique? First of all, it's a product that looks like real wood, feels like real wood, but has all the advantages of a TFL or a laminate. It's 3 times more scratch resistant than your standard oak veneer. It's color stable, UV resistant. It's stain proof, so you can spill your coffee, you can spill your red wine and wipe it right off after 24 hours. And it's also one unique pattern on a 7x9 full-size board. The product is available across the North American markets in distribution today, and we're super proud that IWF was willing to and able to give us the award for this groundbreaking product.